gonna do pizza. Are you excited? Yeah.
Because you're excited. Okay,
I'm so hungry.
Get hungry.
Okay, so for
Hungry
first for pizza crust, we need white flour, active dry yeast. It's a dry yeast and sugar, garlic powder,
And water.
Warm water.
and some salt. Okay, we're gonna put a recipe in the description box, right, Chloe?
Yeah, let's get started.
Okay, what are you gonna do first?
Okay, so let's put the yeast. The active.
Okay, dry yeast goes.
Okay, you want to put it in?
Yeah.
Okay. Put the
Dry
whole
yeast
packet
into
of-
flour. Okay.
You have to mix it up real nice.
I'm mixing. It's done. Done, Bob. It's so white, Bob. Bob, it's white.
Here, mix like this. Try to keep the flour inside the bowl.
You want some pizza
Okay,
crust?
1.5 teaspoons sugar. Okay. 1.
It doesn't. I don't think it's one.
2,
Maybe you want more.
Okay.
3.
Okay. Then we got 3/4 teaspoon salt. And we got Himalayan salt right here.
Wow, that's
Hey, keep the flour inside the bowl. We need that for the dough.
Ooh, so much salt. Pink salt. That's pink color salt. Wow, look at the pink salt. I think that's
Okay, we got the salt. Now we need the garlic.
garlic.
Powder.
Just
Wow, it's orange color.
Our olive oil goes in.
Yeah, you need 2 tablespoons.
1.
Wow, that is yellow.
Get one more.
Oh, sticky oil.
Okay.
Wow, now let's mix it. Mix it. Mix it.
Now you need 3/4 cups of warm water.
Warm water.
Slowly.
Wow, that's mushy.
Promise you. Let me help you.
That's mushy, mushy, mushy. That's that's like
This
gosh.
is how you make tiesto.
That's gosh, gosh.
This is how you make. This is how you make the dough. The dough is coming out pretty well. Just
Papa,
might need a little water.
Papa, Papa. Look at this. It looks like slime, but it's pizza.
Pizza dough.
Pizza dough, pizza
Let me
dough,
get some
pizza.
more flour.
Okay, we have a bowl here. There's some olive oil, and Vlad's gonna put
The dough that we made.
inside.
Wow.
Basically, gotta roll it around.
Look at this.
Get all the sides.
It was olive oil.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're gonna cover it with plastic wrap.
Wow, look at it.
We're gonna place it on top of a hot stove. Well, so we got 30 minutes of spare time. While the dough is raising, we can play a game. Let's go.
I go first. I don't know which one to take. I think I don't take this.
Whoa. Made that look easy.
Yours is well, I think.
Oh no, oh no. Oh, got it.
Chloe, don't cheat. Oh my god, Chloe, did you just cheat?
I didn't. I wanted to win. Yes.
I almost had it.
Cheater. Cheater, you cheater.
I wanted the bubble loose. I win.
Guys, do you think she won? Or maybe she cheated? What do you think? I think she cheated. What do you think, Papa? She cheated? Cheater. Cheater, little cheater. Okay, let's go check on your dough.
Oh, yes.
I've grown. We have doubled our size.
What do you think? Did it double its size or no?
Oh,
Or the
that
same
feels
size?
so amazing. The way it smells.
Chloe already gave up. Okay, so we're cutting in 3 pieces because we have 3.
We're gonna have 3 different types of pizzas.
And 3 different sizes of pizzas.
Okay, so we're gonna roll each one out. Okay. Since we don't have a rolling pin, we're gonna use essentially a water bottle.
Alright,
Brooklyn style.
any bottle will work.
Hello, hello.
Might need a cinch.
Hello.
Wow, look at this.
Ooh. Mamma mia.
Pizzeria, mamma mia.
Pizzeria, mamma.
Mozzarella, tomato.
Where did you put some oil here, Chloe?
The,
Alright, let's go. Let's put it on. Just a few tricks. Woo!
Great.
Amazing.
Amazing. Over here. Oh,
And now for
I need
a
to
little
wash my.
bonus, we're gonna put mozzarella cheese for the crust.
I'm gonna wash my hands because it's in oil. I just could get it.
Mozzarella string cheese.
Oh, I like mozzarella
You
cheese.
can actually also use a shredded mozzarella as well.
You can actually spin this pizzeria.
So we're stuffing the mozzarella string cheese
I need to
inside
wash my hands
the
because
crust.
I'm very
You're hiding.
dirty. Do you guys make pizza with your parents? Click my channel and subscribe my
Our dough is ready. Oh my god, it looks so good. What are we gonna put now? Some. Guess what it
I
is?
think this is gonna blow up right now.
Marinara sauce. Okay. No, it didn't.
No, the
Okay, spoon.
spoon, of course.
We want to put a lot of marinara, right?
Uh-huh.
Oh, can you get the cheese for us, Chloe?
Cheesy, of course. Can I pour the cheese?
Okay. We're gonna start putting the marinara.
Take shredded, Chloe.
Huh?
You
Shredded
can put
cheese.
as much as you like. I like a lot of sauce on mine.
I just like to eat the cheese.
Chloe. Ooh. Oh yeah. Get that cheese. Mmm. Mm-mm.
Can I have some?
Okay, as the first time making pizza,
And I like doing pizza.
everything looks super good, huh?
Okay, that's enough. Now I'm going to eat the cheese.
Yeah, we can tell you eating cheese. How do you know Chloe's eating the cheese? This looks amazing.
Now we get to eat it.
Are we doing mushrooms, guys? You forgot about the mushrooms. The mushrooms we have to fry up a little bit.
Do you guys want us to put some mushrooms? Yes? No? Yes? What do you think? What do you think?
Yes.
Chloe, you want some mushrooms too?
Yes.
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 Yes. The mushroom. Do not just put raw mushroom into the pizza. It will dry out and taste disgusting. Yes, of course. Mom,
Pizza looking good, huh?
Mama, you want mushrooms or no?
Of course.
How about you, Bob?
Of course. I love them.
Everyone wants mushrooms. Look at the soup.
We'll put it on all the pizzas.
Can I please do?
Okay, now our pizza goes into oven.
Oh.
1, 2, and 1 more.
Little one, Chloe.
It's very.
And oh my god, this looks amazing, guys. You have to try it. Even if you don't like pizza, but I don't think it's possible.
Bye. I love you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.